Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, remember yesterday I posted a video of Naledi Aphiwe with her man, but I told you guys that this could be an old video, right? So today on Instagram she posted a video of herself and with like a caption that says "Umuntu wam," and I'm like, at first I was like, okay, you go girl, like you moved on, you're single. I mean, it's okay to date, it's nothing wrong, right? But then I was like, wait a minute, because in this video you can clearly see she's trying to avoid showing you who she is with. But if you look closely, you will see that that is a woman, it's not a man. Rona the Instagram investigators, social media investigators, I could see that is not a man, girl. Stop. That is probably your friend or her sister. It's not her man. Let's all calm down. So please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.